I'm very certain that these 7 things I'll be talking to you about in this video, if I actually knew them earlier before now, my journey on YouTube would have been easier. Probably some of the mistakes I made on YouTube, I wouldn't have made them. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the very first time, I am urging you to watch it from the beginning to the end, because in this video, I'll be talking to you about 7 most expensive mistakes that I made that almost ruined my YouTube career. So I am urging you to watch this video, because trust me, you will definitely learn 1 or 2 things from it. One thing I want you to know is this: YouTube is not all about fancy equipment. YouTube is not all about your background. It's not all about the microphone, the camera, the laptop, and your studio. If you're waiting to have all of these things, trust me, you might not start YouTubing. Like, you might not even start this year. Talk more of starting next year. Truth be told, when it has to do with YouTubing, your equipment should just be like this. But your content, the value in your content should be higher. You understand? So, even if your equipment is not that expensive, even if you do not even have any equipment at all, you can always start. What if I tell you that I am shooting this particular video you're watching, I am shooting this video without a microphone. I am shooting this video with just my smartphone. I am shooting this video without a fancy background. I am shooting this video not with a laptop. I am shooting this video not with a studio, not in a studio. You understand? So you can always start. Now, some persons will be like, oh, they don't even have light. You can always start with the natural light. You understand? All you have to do is for you to film when there is no noise. Probably when your neighbors have gone out, when their children have gone out, and all of that. So do not wait for light. If you want to wait till you have money to get ring light, LED light, and all of that, you might never start. Now, another thing, the second thing is being consistent. Consistency beats perfection. Most persons are always like, oh, they are waiting till they graduate from school. Most persons are always like, they are waiting till they are able to write scripts. Most persons are always like, they are waiting until they are done with their fashion design, they are able to design thumbnail, they are able to edit, and all of that. That is not what YouTube is all about. When I talk about consistency beating perfection, the more you get to do these things, the more you get to show up, the more you're gonna improve. You understand? See, I like it this way. I like someone starting the way he or she is, because one thing about this journey is this: the more you do it, the more you get better, and it will always be a thing of joy for you and people around you, and people who will even come to your life, that they are watching your present video, they are going back to your 4 years ago videos you uploaded 4 years ago, 7 years ago, 10 years ago, and they're seeing massive improvement. You understand? So when this happens, you see that you have enough reason to encourage people. You can always tell people your own story and they'll believe you. You understand? So do not wait till when you get perfect. Truth be told, you might never get perfect. Even those persons who think they are perfect, they keep improving every day. So nobody ever gets perfect. Another thing is this: your title is just as important as your video. I see some persons, after creating content, they come on YouTube to upload it without putting a title. Uploading a video without a title is just like you lighting up a candle and then covering it with a pot. To what point? Like, to what effect? Do you understand? So as you're uploading a video, try as much as you can to have a suitable title for that video. I so much thank God we have ChatGPT, we have Meta AI, Perplexity, and all this AI. They can help you get good titles, searchable titles, titles with SEO, titles that are profitable, titles that will make your videos rank, titles that people are searching for once they come on YouTube. You understand? I made a video on how to make use of VidIQ. VidIQ is one of those tools that every YouTuber needs. So in case you've not seen that video, I am going to attach it to the end screen of this my video. Go and watch it. Go and learn how to use VidIQ to get profitable titles that will make people see your videos. Now, another thing that is very, very important is this. You need to know that YouTube is a marathon. It's not something you show up today, tomorrow you do not show up, you show up next month, another month you're not showing up, and all of that. No. If you show up every day, the tendency of one of your videos going viral is very, very high. If you show up once in a year, the tendency of people seeing you is very slim. So you cannot compare your growth, you who is showing up every day, with someone who is showing up once in a month. You understand? So YouTube is marathon. You need to try as much as you can to be showing up every day. If you can't even show up every day, at least 3 to 4 times in a week. That is fair enough. You understand? So another thing you need to know is this. Engagement matters more than views. Most persons do not know. Most persons on YouTube are just here chasing after views. Chasing after views. Instead of you to chase after views, why not chase after engagement? There is a big difference between engagement and views. You may have views and you're not getting engagement. Now let me tell you something. I actually did this on my channel, so I am talking to you from a place of experience. I uploaded a video. I uploaded 2 videos on my channel. After uploading this particular video got so many views with little watch time. This other video did not get many views, but with plenty watch time. Now, if you were me, which will you go for? The one that has views with very little watch time, or the one that has lesser views with plenty watch time? The one that has lesser views with much watch time has more engagement. It means that people literally watch that video for longer duration. You understand? Here on YouTube, someone can literally click on your video and the first 10 seconds, the first 20 seconds, 30 seconds is not giving. The person will just scroll. The person will move away. Automatically, YouTube will count that for you as views. So imagine 20 to 30,000 persons doing that to your video. They're watching it for just seconds. Another person on his own end has a video of about just 1,000 views, yet that video alone has gotten that person like 5,000 watch time. Can you compare both? Of course you can't, because this other one with lesser number of views already has so much watch time, meaning that people took out time to interact. You understand? I keep telling us this. Engagement on YouTube is paramount. Now, if you've not been replying to comments, always reply to comments. If you've not been dropping comments in your comment section, the kind of comments that will trigger people to react, always pin comments, drop comments, pin the comments, let people come to your comment section and be answering to those comments. This is very, very important. Now, another thing that will also help you under this engagement is your purpose. Your aim on YouTube should be you building a community, building a strong community. Don't just upload here for uploading sake. You understand? So your target should be you building a community. Once you build a community and these people are already carried along, they already know that their community member has dropped a video, of course they will always come around to come and watch your videos. But once you're just uploading for uploading sake, you're not building anything, you're not building a brand, like all of this engagement will not be there. The 7th and most important thing you need to know about YouTube is this: learning YouTube SEO is a cheat code. Some persons will tell you that, oh, your title does not really matter, your thumbnail does not really matter, your tags does not really matter, and all of that. Yes, to a very large extent, I have seen videos with no thumbnail do very well on YouTube. Now, let me tell you something. Some persons will tell you that keywords does not matter. If anybody comes there to tell you that using keywords is not paramount, that person is lying to you. Keywords matter so much on YouTube, because when people come here on YouTube to search for anything, they make use of keywords. So if you've not started using keywords, go and start now. Another thing is tags. Tags are also very, very important as far as YouTube is concerned. And your titles, I don't know how to emphasize this enough. Use searchable titles. So let's assume you want to upload a video where you cooked coconut rice. If you go ahead to title that video how to cook Nigerian coconut rice, that is SEO based. You understand? If someone comes on YouTube and types how to cook coconut rice, how to cook Nigerian coconut rice, of course your video will be among the videos that will definitely pop up. Now, I don't want this video to be long. I would love to explain more, but I have a separate video where I taught how to use keywords, how to use tags, how to use searchable titles and all of that. I am going to attach that video to the end screen of this video. I talked so much about SEO based titles, SEO based thumbnail, SEO based and all of that in my video where I talked about VidIQ. So if you've not watched my video on how to use VidIQ to get more views on YouTube, kindly go and watch that video now. I am going to attach it to my end screen. Go and watch that video because it will help you to design your thumbnail. It will help you to get a searchable title, searchable tags, searchable hashtags and all of that. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video and bye for now.